Hi, I'm Lindsay Rhoda, and this is my career profile on the occupation of a child and youth care worker. So basically what a child and youth care worker does is they work closely with children and adolescents in various therapeutic settings. So they will work closely with individuals and their families to try and promote behavioral change and personal growth. For this job, there's a lot of group interaction because they will be closely involved with a team of psychologists, social workers, foster care workers, teachers, and other professionals. They will all be working together to help families overcome emotional and behavioral problems. And so they'll be trying to develop plans and find ways to solve these problems. So child and youth care workers will be involved in community youth programs, recreational programs, early intervention programs, family support or foster care programs, or school-based programs. They have to know all about community resources and limitations because they will be using local resources to work within the family and the community. So child and youth care workers can work in schools, psychiatric hospitals, private homes, and other places like this. Some workers may choose to work privately, but they have to be certified members of an association in order to do so. Typical work hours for this job, there's a lot of shift work because flexibility is really important in order to try and meet the needs of a child. So a worker has to be available to readily help the people who need them. Typical stressors. With the nature of this job, it may be physically and emotionally demanding. I read on a site, it says, at times, a worker may be required to physically restrain a child, so being able to respond to acts of aggression is important. You have to be able to know how to stop destructive behavior and depressive behavior. So that can be quite difficult and stressful. And also because a worker will be with families and trying to identify the problems going on in the home, it can be emotionally draining as well. The typical benefits for this job, because I live in Canada, there would be a complete health package with dental benefits provided. And additionally, depending on where a person is employed, there would be life insurance and retirement plans, and some places also provide food allowance benefits. The educational requirements would be either a college diploma or a university degree in child and youth care or a related social science or human services degree. Also, the Child and Youth Care Association of Alberta, where I live, offers a certification program, and while certification is not mandatory, it is definitely an asset. The starting salary range for this occupation would be from around $27,000 to $68,000 a year. And for the experienced worker, the salary range would be from about $34,000 to $88,000 a year. In Alberta, the average hourly wage for this job is around $21. And yeah, this has been my career profile. Thanks very much for watching.